We have arrived at Skopelos, alias underneath the little old town. We arrived about an hour when we departed from Skopelos. Skopelos is one of the most beautiful islands here, with all the greenery that's going around and with also all the beautiful beaches. It's also known for the olives and all the plum trees here. And they have one of the most beautiful places that houses are built, as featured in the movie from Mamma Mia. Let's go meet my chef Nikos and find out what he has in store.
Περιμένω δύο, μπράβο. Μία για μια φέτα. Άντο.
And also too, Nikos is in there. Okay. Thank you. Chef Nikos.
Γεια σου.
Thank you. It's such a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So I've heard all about you, and apparently you're one of the best chefs on the island.
This is true.
And so I heard that you have also prepared a recipe for me.
Yes, this is true.
And so what is this recipe?
The recipe is pork with plums. It's a traditional recipe of the island. And I'm gonna try to show you this recipe.
Perfect.
With all the ingredients of Skopelos. So Mia, this is Skopelos.
Beautiful.
Welcome.
It's magnificent.
This is one of the most beautiful places in Greece. We have amazing products, but the most popular product is Plums.
Is the Plums.
Okay? It's probably the best in the world because of the minerals of the soil. So that gives an extra taste in the food. So tomorrow I will try to cook for you a very nice traditional recipe with pork and prunes. A very nice and earthy taste.
Perfect.
With very light aromatics where you can make it in your house.
I can't wait to try it. After revealing to us his secrets for the plums, Nikos will be coming on board our boat to prepare for us a traditional recipe of Skopelos.
Mia!
I'm coming! Why don't you come on board for a second so we can figure out where we're going to be headed? Come on in. Come on board.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My sister Effie.
Oh,
Nice to meet you.
where are we headed now today?
We're gonna visit a very, very old man who is probably one of the last who makes fantastic dry plums. We're gonna see and we will visit his oven. Okay, we call it oven in Greece.
Fantastic.
Over there we will see this traditional place, how they used to do all the production of the dry plums.
Fantastic. All right, let's go ahead and
Let's
find
go.
these ingredients.
This is the prunes from Skopelos, the original prune of Skopelos.
And this is your grandparents'
This is my grandparents' land, okay? So this is actually one of the old trees,
One of the
okay?
oldest
Organic, from very old,
Fantastic.
many years ago, okay? And this is actually the prunes we use today for our dish.
For our plate. Perfect.
Yes, they are very nice, very tasty, and very healthy. We place the plums we saw over here for a couple of days. So after that, we just place these in special trolleys and we place them into the oven. The oven is with wood. It gives a very, very nice flavor into the final product.
I
okay?
understand. I
So
understand.
we put them into the oven,
Oven?
seven
7
times.
times, right,
This is
I
the key.
remember, yes.
This is the key. Because we would like in this 7 times the flesh from the pig to be completely removed.
Chef Nikos, so what are we gonna do now? Tell me about this recipe.
So the recipe we're gonna do is pork with prunes.
Okay. Okay.
So,
what are we gonna
first
do?
we have to saute the pork shank. Okay. Very light in olive oil. So we
Okay.
don't need to boil it. We need to.
Make sure that it sizzles first to get it nice and crispy. Okay, perfect. Okay, so Chef Nikos also too. You told me that we're gonna do the onions first, right? So I can help you for the peppers. Okay.
Yes.
So put the peppers in. Okay, and then the tomato, right?
Absolutely.
High quality. So every good chef always has their secret that they don't tell anybody. And what is Chef Nikola's secret? What is it, Chef?
It's something who comes from the earth of Skopelos. Is this nice liquid. This is chutney made of sour plums. We just add this in the food with bay leaves. We give a strange but very, very, very nice taste.
Wow, so we're about to finish the plate. My Chef Nikola is so hot in here. It's cooking on a boat. What do you feel about this?
It's difficult,
It is so hot in here. Okay, but that's okay. We're almost finished. So what do we need to add?
This is the last ingredient we must put in.
Okay, so we put that in.
So we put it in now.
Okay.
Okay. And we let it simmer for 1 hour and 10 minutes approx.
Okay, so 1 hour and 10 minutes is what we have to wait for. Okay. Okay, Chef. So after 1 hour and a half, we've waited. Nikos, what do we need to do now?
So now the only thing we need to do is to serve the food to the plate.
Fantastic. Look at all the colors and look at it's beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to try it. It looks amazing.
And let's put. These are the original.
Fantastic. Chef Nikos, thank you so much. Now, the test is going to be for us to go next door and see if our neighbors really like this dish. Ciao, Kakos, can I come aboard?
Of course you may come
You guys
aboard.
can try
Welcome.
the plate? Okay, so you grab the plate for me? Perfect. What do you guys eat usually?
Whatever we found.
Whatever you, that's perfect. And who cooks? You?
Stella cooks.
Your beautiful wife, Stella. And what's your favorite plate that she cooks?
Moussaka.
And how does she cook it? What types of flavors does she put in? What spices?
Potatoes, cream. I don't know the